Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What are we talking about today? So today I wanted to give you some tips on things you should do when your microlocs are new. I don't know why I said that so slowly, but I just, the title wasn't really in my head, but that's what the title is going to be. I just wanted to point out some things. I think it's about 3 or 4 things I have been going through that I just wanted to highlight, and I feel like it's something that is overlooked a lot with microlocs because it's not as rigid as the sister locks regimen. And I think I slipped up on a couple of them in the beginning stages of my lock journey, and as I'm getting closer to my 1-year lock anniversary, I'm noticing that these things I should have probably put in place from day one, and I want to help you guys prevent the same thing from happening. So I figured I would talk about it today. Number 1, and I say this very gently, but I also mean it. Please wash your hair. Stop listening to these people that are telling you don't wash your hair because of slippage and because of this and because of that. Wash your hair. Put yourself on a hair washing routine or regimen, whatever. Wash your hair, okay? I did not wash my hair for, I want to say, the first month that I was locked because I was so afraid of slippage. And for those of you who don't know, slippage is what happens at the roots and unraveling is what happens at the end. So I was so terrified of slippage that I was just like, oh my god, slippage, I can't wash my hair. And that's nasty, okay? That's nasty. Please wash your hair. Wash your hair. Now, that kind of just segues right into my second point, which is banding and braiding. I know the temptation is there to want to just let your hair be free because you're in the shower. You want to feel this length running down your back. But at the same time, guys, you have to band and braid. That's going to keep your ends from unraveling, which I didn't know. You can do it as small as you'd like or as big as you like. I usually do 3 to 4 braids on each side. If I'm really feeling funky, I'll do about 10. But for the most part, I have anywhere between 6 to 8 braids in my hair when I'm washing my hair, and I haven't had an issue. This helps with bunching, it helps with unraveling, and it just helps you to get that shampoo through your locks without unraveling, especially if you started with 2-strand twist. Because with 2-strand twist, there's nothing really holding your hair together, especially if you didn't braid the ends. So if you are washing your hair and then you're rubbing through and you're scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing, then you're gonna unravel those twists, not intentionally. Sometimes if I'm in the water or swimming or whatever and I run my hand through my hair, I unravel a couple of my twists sometimes. Again, not intentionally, just because I did. So that's another thing as well. If you're always in the water, you might wanna braid your hair, like put 2 French braids in, or I don't know, just do something with your hair so that your ends aren't loose, just to protect it from unraveling. And I guess I'll just lead right into the other one. Be gentle with your hair. Do not scrub your hair like it's loose, natural hair, because that's gonna cause slippage. That's gonna cause slippage. It's gonna cause bunching, but it's gonna cause slippage, bunching, and it's also gonna cause your locks to mate together. So if you're rubbing all your roots together really rough and you're just kind of like scrubbing, you're gonna like put your locks together. And especially if you're not going through and separating your locks after you've washed, you're gonna have locks that are mating together, and then you're gonna have to cut your hair or really pull them apart, and that will cause breakage and flyaways and all that. So it kind of just all rolls into each other, and you just have to be gentle while you're washing your hair. You loosely braid your hair, put your little rubber band on the end, and take the pads of your fingers, not your fingernails, the pads of your fingers, and just gently rub your scalp. If you have to shampoo your hair again, shampoo your hair again. Don't dig into your scalp just to cut off the amount of times you have to shampoo. If you have to shampoo twice, just shampoo twice, okay? And then I guess my last point is, when you are letting your hair air dry, leave your hair in the braids to air dry if you want to see your length. If you are fine with the shrinkage, you can let it dry for a little bit and then pull it out. But I find personally that if I pull my hair out before it's completely dry, my hair like shrinks all the way up here. And then it takes me about a year and a day to stretch it back out. And then I just feel like that's putting unnecessary tension on my locks. And then I'm noticing like some bunching towards the root, and then it's thin in the middle and then bunching at the end, because I didn't allow my hair to dry properly, and then I went through to stretch my hair. So let your hair dry. We want the length, we want to have the fingers, what is it, hand in hair syndrome, we want that, I get it. But while your locks are new, you have to be very gentle with them. Just give them time to mature. Soon we will be out here like Dark and Lovely, living our best life. Tasha on lock, all of them. We'll be out here living our best life with the locks flowing. But in the beginning stages, we have to be very gentle with our locks, okay? Be gentle. That is my biggest reminder. So it is a short video. That's how I like it. I'm out of your hair, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.